So hi everyone. So today we are going to see the problem insert interval. So let's first read the problem description. You have been given an array of non-overlapping intervals. So remember that. So the intervals are non-overlapping. So you have been given intervals start and end time, and intervals are in ascending order of the start time. So you have to insert new interval start and that represent the start and end of the another interval. Okay, insert new interval into interval such that intervals is still sorted in ascending order of start I, and intervals still does not have any overlapping intervals. So let's see the example. You have been given 1, 3 and 6 and new interval that you need to insert is 2 and 5. So you can see 1, 3 and 2, 5. That is overlapping. So if you merge both of them, you will get 1 and 5. You can see 1, 3 and 2, 5. You can see 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there in that, and 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 also there. So you can see that would contain 1 to 5 if you merge these two. And 6, 9 will be remain because it is not overlapping with 2 and 5. So we will see 5 scenarios. Well, let's say our current interval is 1, 6 and new interval that we need to insert is 7, 10. Then we can say we don't care about the 7, 10 because 1, 6 is not overlapped with 7, 10 at all. So we'll insert current interval into the resulted list. You can say that is our result list. Let's say we are inserting current interval. In second scenario, we have current interval is 7, 10 and new interval is 1, 6. So you can say new interval is almost before the current interval, but although it is not overlapped. So first we will insert the new interval because we have to maintain the sorting order of start time as well. So first we will insert new interval and then we will insert the current interval as well. So let's see another scenario. These three scenarios are same in which we have overlapping situation. You have given the current interval as 1, 7 and new interval as 6, 10. You can see that is obviously overlapped. So what you will do, you will calculate the new interval as minimum start time and maximum of end time. So you can say minimum of start time is 1, 6, that is 1, and maximum of 7, 10, that would be 10. So you can see now new interval updated would be 1 and 10 due to because they are overlapping. So you can see if current interval is before new interval, we can push current interval obviously in the list, and if current interval is after new interval, then we can insert new interval and then can insert current interval. I will paste the blog link into the description, so don't worry. So now let's see another scenario. If current interval and new interval both are overlapping, then we will use start as the minimum of current interval start and new interval start, and same as the end we will take the maximum for that. Now let's see the code. So first of all, we have taken the resulted list and we have boolean interval inserted, which will tell whether we have inserted the new interval or not. If we already inserted the new interval, then we will not insert it. So that is scenario 1. Then we will insert the current interval, and that is another scenario in which we will insert the new interval and then we will insert the current interval. But in that case, we also make sure that new interval is not already inserted, and else we will just update our new interval. After that loop, if we might encounter a case when our new interval is not inserted, then we will insert that, and then we will convert this list into the 2D array. And now talking about the time complexity of this situation, that will be O of n, because we are iterating over the list of interval 1 times, and space complexity is order of n. We are inserting the list into a new list. We are not using the existing array for that.